Hello everyone, thank you for joining with Azure with Umesh YouTube channel. So today I'm going to discuss about the most awaited feature for AVD FSLogix setup using the cloud only identities. Previously we set up using FSLogix using hybrid identities, which we require to directly. If you don't have directly in your own premises or cloud environment, we have to spin up a new VM and set up the Active Directory and use hybrid identity in order to set up the FSLogix. Now we don't need that hassle, so we can now set up the FSLogix using cloud only identities. So before moving ahead, I will discuss about the prerequisites. So I will drop the link down in the description below, so you can check the prerequisites of this setup. So, and the operating system will be Windows 11 Enterprise or Pro single or multi-session. In terms of the server operating system, it will be 2025 Windows Server. So you can check this document before setup. Okay, first of all, I will share what kind of setup that I have at the moment. So I'm not going to show how to set up the AVD. So I do have existing AVD setup that set up using the Entra ID only. So now I'm going to enable the FSLogix using cloud only identities. So first of all, I will show you what file share and storage account that I'm going to use throughout the demonstration. This will be the file storage account that I'm going to use. Okay, for this you can see I provision this using provision v2 file share billing, and it is using premium performance. This will be supported in the provision v1 as well. Okay, let's start with enabling the Kerberos authentication for a file share. So to do that, just navigate to file shares. So I don't have any existing file share. As you can see here, there will be a new option called identity based access. So you just need to click here. Then you can see this Microsoft Entra Kerberos. So it's in disabled status. Just click on set it up and just enable here by click on this. Now click on save. Now the Kerberos authentication is enabled successfully. Next step is to now you can enable the permission for all authenticated users. Now it is in disabled status. You just need to click on enable and you need to select storage file data SMB share contributor and just click on save. Okay, now you need to create a new file share because I don't have any existing file shares. Okay, just click on add file share and give a name. I will give like FSLogix demo something. Since this demonstration purpose, I will put the minimum value, which is 32. Then next backup. I will not enable backup because of this, since this is a demonstration purpose. Then create it. Now it's successfully created. Now just click on browse and create a new directory. We can name it like profiles, maybe profiles, user profiles, and click OK. Next we need to go to the service principal for this file share storage account and grant the admin consent. To do that, just go to navigate to the Entra ID and go to the app registration and search for the storage account name, and it will be start like this, storage account, and just click on it. Then click manage and API permission. Just click on grant admin consent. Grant consent successful. Now we need to change the manifest file of this app registration text section. So I will show how to do that. So there's a document to do that as well here. You can follow this. So we just need to put this value under the text section. just copy it and pasted it in here. And just click on save. Okay, now it is done. So then you need to make sure that your storage account is excluded from your MFA conditional access policy. If you have existing MFA conditional access policy, make sure to exclude this storage account to exclude the MFA authentication. Otherwise this will not gonna work. You will be ended up with the error. Okay, now you want to set up the configure the clients to view the Kerberos tickets. To do that, there will be a registration key. You can use, if you have Intune setup, you can push from Intune as well. For now, for this demonstration, I will run this in our host session separately. Okay, this is my one of AVD VM. So I'm going to run this command. Run command and run PowerShell. Paste it here and just click on run. Okay, when this is done, let me show you what groups that I'm going to use for this demonstration. One is the Entra storage admin group, which I'm going to include the admin who manage the user profiles. So here I have one member for admin perspective. Those all group members are cloud only identities, and I have another group called cloud AVD group. So here these are the users that going to use the AVD. Okay, and make sure to add those groups to application group assignment. Then they can access your AVD. As you can see here, I already assigned those two groups here. Then I need to connect to the FSLogix files from the workstation. So I'm currently logging with the admin permission user that I have showed earlier. So here you can see I am logging with the admin user. Then I need to run this command, netuse command, to mount this particular file share. So let's run it now. Okay, command run successfully. Okay, let me show you what kind of permission now currently assigned to the file share. Let's navigate to the particular file share that we mounted. Here you can go to properties, security in advanced. Here you can see these are the default permission that already come up with. So we can modify these from the Azure portal now. This is the new feature that are available. To see the manage access option in Azure File Share, there will be a new URL for that, but because this is currently in previous stages, this will be changed once this is in GA. You can see currently I'm not able to see manage access option here because it is still not available here. So now you need to go to this link, so you will be able to see the manage access option in the Azure portal. So let's navigate to that. Okay, now click on the storage account and the file share. And the file share that we created, here just click browse. Now you will be able to see this option called manage access. This is where we can see the particular directories managing access option. So here we can see these are the options that available here. We can manage it, delete it based on our requirement. Let's modify this based on our requirement. Just delete all of the permission here except create owner. Delete it and edit this create owner. Just provide only the modify, not the full control here, and then done. Then add your group, Entra ID group that we have created for user profile management admins. Okay, now it's added. Just edit and give full control. It applies to this folder and subfolders and subfiles. And click on add. Then the users group that we created, select it. Then edit the permission here. This should be applied to this folder only. Give only modify access. I click on done and just save it. Now let's check the permission from the client again. Just navigate to your client and go to properties and security and advanced. Now you can see the previous permissions has been deleted and new one has been added. Okay, now you just need to enable the FSLogix. Okay, this is the minimal command that we need to enable the FSLogix. Once you need to run this on each of your client VMs. You can use either Intune or configuration script to automate this. For now, for the demonstration purpose, I just run this command for the single client VM as I run it earlier from the PowerShell script here. I just run my custom profile information here. The name and all the information is there, and just click on run. Okay, now let's check from the user side. Okay, let's log in with the user. Just click on connect. Now you can see we are appearing FSLogix app services. It's a good sign. Okay, now profile has been loaded here. Now we can check from the file share the user account has been created in the FSLogix profile container or not. Let's check that. Here I log in with the admin user which manage the user profile. Let's check from the user profiles folder here. You can see the user profile has been created inside the profile container. This is the profile container, the VHD file for the user. Then we can check from the Azure portal from as well. As you can see, the user profile has been created successfully. Okay, this is how you can use the new Azure Files Share Entra Kerberos authentication feature to enable the FSLogix to set up using cloud-only identities. Hope this demonstration helped you to set up it. Okay, if you have any correction related to this or any other Azure related correction, just put a comment down below. Okay, thank you for watching.